Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Komatsuna Nibitashi. It is lightly seasoned blanched greens. Komatsuna Nibitashi is one of the most popular Japanese side dish. And to make it is really easy and it doesn't take time. So let's get started! The ingredients for Komatsuna Nibitashi is only two. One is of course Komatsuna, the other one is aburage, thin deep fried tofu. And we got 4 steps to make it. Step 1 is aburanuki of the aburage. It means removing oil from aburage. Step 2 is to cut komatsuna and aburage. Step 3 is make broth in a pan. And the final step, step 4, is to heat these ingredients in the broth. So why don't we go on to step 1? Yes, step 1 is aburanuki of aburage, removing oil from aburage. I showed how to do it in a movie of kitsune udon, but this time another way. Get the water boil and put this aburage into the pot. Here now the water is boiled, so put the aburage in the pot. Leave it for 2-3 minutes. Here now 3 minutes has passed. So yeah. And cool it down for a while. While we cool down the aburage, why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to cut the komatsuna, but the root end of komatsuna often is dirty, so why don't you wash and cut? Yeah, cut here. Yeah, this is alright. Then cut it into 4 centimeters, 2 inches, I guess. Yeah, and divide the stem part and leaf part. Yeah, that's alright. Now you cut the aburage. You moist it with hand. Just cut it into pieces. Right. Right, step 2 is over. Why don't we go on to step 3? Step 3 is make the broth. Japanese dashi soup stocks, soy sauce plus milling. That's it. So finally, go on to step 4. Just get the broth boiled. The first thing you heat is the aburage. Second one is stem part of komatsuna. The last one is the leaf part. 1 minute for each. Right, 1 minute has passed. So next one is the stem part of komatsuna. Another 1 minute. No leaf. Stem. Okay. So why don't we go on to the last one? Leaf part for 1 minute. Yeah, that's it. Another 1 minute has passed. Okay, it's done. Let's plate it. Yeah. Cool. Use this shichimi togarashi as well. Pepper. 7 taste pepper. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now the Komatsuna Nibitashi is ready to eat. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, Komatsuna Nibitashi is one of the most popular Japanese side dish like kimpira gobo, those kind of stuff. And to make it is super simple, wasn't it? So why don't you try? Anyway, if you like this video, please put the thumbs up button and subscribe. Leave some message down below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Arigato. See you soon.